What's up everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's episode we're going to be changing out these beautiful shocks. They're not brand new, they are actually rebuilt. As you can see, there's like brand new bushings in here.
Shock works.
And how did they rebuild it? Because this is a what? A Fox Racing Shock, right? And what did they do?
They drill a hole in here. So it gets pumped. It's nitrogen, I think, or some kind of air and oil. That's how they pump it up. And if you do the upgrade, they actually leave a nipple on here so you can check pressure yourself, which I didn't do.
Oh, obviously, because there's only a little plug in there.
Yeah, it's just a plug. Try to push that in.
SVT?
Flip it upside down and try to push
this right here?
Yeah, like that.
I'm not gonna.
Yeah.
That's awesome, dude.
Yeah. So this is to compare what that one's gonna be like.
Well, let's get these things installed. So are you removing the upper control arm?
I'm just not removing it, but getting it out of the way. So the goal is to get the shock out without messing up my alignment. Probably remove this also.
The upper control arm is off, and then you said you might have to remove the tie rod?
Yeah, I'm gonna remove this just so I can get access. So you see how it's leaking?
Oh, that's what's going on.
Look at this. It's all covered in oil. And see, this has a 4-inch lift. This is the bracket. Man, I wanted to paint this.
Oh, that bracket. Oh, I see.
Just see how much lift.
I see.
Normally the shock would just bolt onto here.
So it's a 4-inch lift.
It's a 4-inch lift, yep.
Excellent. And you put in, these are the factory ones, right?
Shocks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I see the SVT on
See,
it.
I've replaced lower control arm, upper control arm, tie rod ends, axles, everything. But I didn't change the shocks and I regret it now.
I see.
Should have done it right away.
Oh yeah. It's not gonna fly out anywhere, is it?
Watch your teeth because you never know. This is like a time bomb here.
Oh my goodness.
So look how bad it was leaking. Look at that.
Oh wow. That is bad. Hey man, looks like you got a bad shock here.
That's probably why the burnout sucked. No, I'm kidding.
Good one though. Okay, let's see you change this one out. What do you do next?
I guess take this off.
Oh boy, that's rusted too.
Yeah.
The BD40.
No, I got some special stuff here.
Oh boy, exciting. Ah, yeah, it's good stuff. Works for everything. So you got it off right here, completely off, so that should be good.
Yeah, I guess might as well spray these because I'll be taking those off.
Nice. That thing is messed up, man.
You think?
Чуть-чуть.
Okay, let's.
Yeah. Dude.
The whole seal is like, is it even the seal? No, look at
this,
this.
dude.
Yeah,
You think that was the problem?
probably.
Dang, dude.
Yeah,
bad.
it's bad. It's done.
Look, you seen the comparison?
Yeah, I actually tried. I put my whole body weight on it, side by side. What a bad shock is, right here to our left, and what a good shock is right here. This is a nice rebuilt Fox Racing Shock, Texas Shock Works. Big shout out to you guys. Great job. So apparently the new bushings are a little wider than the old ones. And let me turn it sideways to show you guys. Okay, this is the old one, and let's turn the other one and see what the difference is. I guess you have to measure it out really to see it.
Those are just compressed over years, I think.
Yeah, probably. So we might have to, the bracket that Igor has in his hand, probably have to somehow bend it out or expand it somehow. It's not much, is it?
It's an eighth.
Good eighth?
That should do it.
I think a little bit far more than an eighth. You might have done a 5/16 maybe. Hopefully that's more than an eighth.
Which way was it? This way.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Perfect. That's perfecto. Beautiful. Yep, that's from the bottom. Wow, that is so perfect now. Got it?
It's close enough, I think.
Wow, that is close enough.
Step on it.
Hold on. Ready? In?
For sure, this is how the bracket went, right? Check maybe the other side.
Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.